Orofo, mame mo akwaba enfaumbra GCN page so midin ede adwoa searching. Mesrel subscribe to my channel. Founsa me abel on so ubenya notification video bia obenye bi ahwe. Ura John Dakun oye law lecturer na okase na ne sema okay na ne say ka ebeya Ghana politicians na omo ensua ahobrase different bia eye his excellency Nana Adodankwa Akofu Addo ewo na eba ne saa ede asomdwe odo na enkabom ebeba Ghana hanom na Ura Dakun ede ensem we na etudwa ewa bra okọ eye nit FM mema so dwumade so a omo eye ne interview na okasa na de ente okasa yina ne say ebeka ya 2012 abra yeto aba ewo Ghana hanom wie NPP amayoku asisi omo na omo di oman Ghana so omo enye omo ho enti ase ti se de ne asia omo de ensem no ekodan Supreme Court se court enhwem no omo enkebi ma omo because omo susu se aba ne yeto 2012 no NPP fo na omo ewini na omo tena asem no so etena ekoba se omo ebua eye NPP fofo so omo asem omo kan enim enti na omo pe ba bi ntina na omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at that time na oye president no onto anamembu so na eba ne sa no His Excellency Nanado ebegina Ghana nyina nem titrupa NPP supporters no e ka kro mo se enye hwe omo engine tum because de asomdwe na kroye na odo ebeba Ghana hanom enti no MPP fu ina na se Ghana form to aba no ema Nanado 2012 no omo engine tum na omo enya botare na emrepem no ya mebehye no hwanimunyam anyame nso ahye no hwanimyam enti ayese politicians ni na omo esua de efina na do ho na se won so wo de wasem court na se anko amfa mawa unkoye bibia na se won mana wachi taifo no enkoye bibia ebeha oman Ghana na omo ebisa ne se eye 2020 about wa yetui a NDC fomo anto omo ho ase omo susu omo eno omo wini no omo supporters eye NDC fo no ete esimmonten eye demonstrations akese ewo Ghana hanom na eba ne san Ghana fo kasa se mo fa mo nsem enkokot because dem ye ne de ye ente hra 2012 yeto abewi MPP fo mo nto omo ase no omo ankos demonstration bia omo de omo nsem ekodan Supreme Court nti adenti na mo so mo fa enko na no e na omo ebisa urada ko se eba ne se NDC fo mo ensem omo de akodan Supreme Court se omo ankwa amomo anase omo endibima emfa eniguase bi emfa embre NDC fo na no na urada ko echese da bi ensese de eniguase ebro because court do wasem ekoho a two things either say obenwini anase obelose do wasem court na nke bia mawa it doesn't mean say wasem ye de eno mo anke bia mawa na mmom se ne mbra no eti no na omode eto enti no na oma emfa to ho bi say 2012 the same thing na happening na nanado ejitum say ne echitaifo no omo enji nkuku nitum na yentwem brepem no eba ne sa ne Ghana eye boko MPP fu ina eye boko omodwe because omo pani no ababonten abeka se ono kra waje nkuku na atum enti na chitaifo no so enye sa na eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama so se court case ya omde kwei ekwa wie na se Supreme Court judge na so omo kasa omo no omo elusia omo trase omanpani dada embra bonten no so omeka nche na chitaifo so omo nye kom na omo njintum sa se ne be ya asomdwe ebeba na yenti ensema urada ko ede etudwa
go to court na go to court na court na yesan hwe ye ho ma ye mom feel humiliated next time obi din sem hunu on the streets now would that person heed to good counsel the go to court ana
well I mean meaning how will be humiliated it is an idea just a footnote in the whole story. It means that no a bit to me I could say humiliated. Maybe if you take almost all the decisions I call against you and to move to feel humiliated, I know they make me a bit. No matter say, if the law is not on your side, nobody can help you. No, it is also important that and find any year a book could be and yes say you be court than say you be see a queen and I say you be train a bar and I say a best time and I say you be come to court. You must always encourage people to go to court. Court and never knew other to be Nikunim, and I say Ubidi Kubu. It did say a year Nana Addo in 2013, Udim Kuguno, or Kasa, the teacher put in I said, Ubia any room say on the court to know any idea. There's also what you took, Emma, Emma, criminal AD. It's Ubia emphasize attitude, no. Maybe I would say, Yemi, when you get to me, accept your problem, and it's not course no one. It doesn't matter how you feel. The court must always be the place to resolve our differences. And this is because I see a protective court. We have to insulate the court from the partisan politics. So they are parties living now. A big will be every free step. We hear justice now. We be in the court now. What could the justice?
Na eja utu kurano so for no na wakrano so no otu on both sides. Say on the other side of the petitioner's legal team, na a member of the legal team as per their spokesperson na osign a qualified and practicing lawyer osign a hold a party position at the regional level. In this instance, Eduzi Ojo Temeklo Esquire. And then listen to what he writes on Facebook. And then you also begin to ask, Edena ubi emoki omo na ehiasi emoko omo ana ubi mpo ehumility omo na ehiamasi ehumility omo. And then I quote it. I say, the Electoral Commission in Togo is not answerable to anyone. Ghana's Electoral Commission is about to be like the Togolese EC. Also, what you do we are. Me what I say a year crop yakwa bransante. Emuaye or hoso de bema wo anambwa.
A brand is or a lawyer.
Aye.
Kanya man and an 10 years. Because will be a way of media. Can't send that. So, if he says, we didn't say Ghana Electoral Commission, an independent electoral commission. We wait me, I can say, a bra a year in 2013. Electoral Commission has decided to best support a declaration in favor of Ibrahim Amano. That time, no Electoral Commission, now it takes instructions from the NDC government at the time. And now, so it may and start, and then I will feel there. Electoral Commission, no, it be our NDC said, and that's our government said. Actually, you know, everything else, and then we must hold these independent institutions very, very carefully and dearly. So they very bastardized them. How can we say that Ghana Electoral Commission, to lead the Electoral Commission? We don't do that. It is an independent body, and we must respect their decision and the position as such. And it's many other clue. We do so and change it.
John Darko Esquire, we a lawyer, we a lecturer. Yet was say any education